Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I wanted to show you my prepper pantry haul. Last week you have seen, well, in the last couple of weeks, you have seen some random stocking up items, and that is because I really started focusing last year on bulk items, basic items that my family and I would eat. And I really enjoy going to these discount grocery stores. As you know, I say it in every video, and I have found some items that my shelf is lacking, or some items that I can use in the event of an emergency and we don't have a certain item. I can use this item to swap it out. So I wanted to show you what I got. I thought maybe this would be helpful for some of you that are just not really feeling the pharmaceuticals, the medical industry. I don't really know what to call it, but if you're not feeling modern medicine, then this might be helpful for you. I am no way, shape, or form an herbalist, but I am very passionate about swapping out our classic pharmaceuticals for ailments and using herbs, using flowers, and using things from the earth that are actually good for us. I will say there is a time and a place for modern medicine. I don't completely knock it, but I find that a lot of our ailments can be fixed with diet, exercise, and some of these herbs that you could even grow on your own. So I wanted to take you through today, show you what I got. I've been to a few stores and I've just been running around. I just got back from a run, hence my hair, and I am just feeling good. And I will say that I don't really touch on it often because I am not the epitome of health. Of course, my family and I still get sick, but physical health is so important. And that combined with a healthy mental attitude is really what has had me thriving in these last couple of years, because these last couple of years has been so difficult on every single one of us. I'm not here to get in a battle of who has it worse, but I will say I have found that having a healthy mental and physical health balance has really helped me, and I am passionate about it, and I want to show you that it can help you too. I am in the season of motherhood. I've had 3 babies in the last almost 5 years, and it's been tricky on my body, and I have found that some of these things that I've been picking up on and some of these things that I started making on my own, growing on my own, has really contributed to a healthy self. So I hope that is helpful. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Tori. I am a wife, mother to 3. We are currently traveling, so you're kind of seeing this video from the past-ish future, but I really wanted to just bring you into what I've been stocking up on, and I'm hoping that these videos are helpful for you. So I would love it if you hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and without further ado, let's get right into what I picked up this week. But before we can get into the haul, I did want to give a big shout out and thank you to Egretech. They sent over their Sonic 1200 generator for us all to try out, and I'm so excited that they did. This is my first generator and it's portable, so I'm very happy with this unit. We tested it out during a power outage as well as when our power was on, but I want to talk to you a little bit about this. They are giving you an incredible discount. All you have to do is follow the link in my description box and that will get you to their website. Please check out that link. There is, again, an incredible discount for you. So here it is. It is pretty sleek and relatively light. I love that it has that handle to make it easier to move around. I took it on a quick little hike through the woods and I was able to do that with a baby on my hip and 2 kids running ahead of me. So on this side over here is how you power the unit if you are going to go the route of an AC power. It can also be charged with a car, and it can also be charged with solar panels. They are currently out of stock, but I believe they will be in stock soon, and the solar would be just a great option if you are off grid. So I'm super excited to get those and see how that powers this machine up. But it powered it so quickly. We were trying to get this refrigerator powered so we can keep things cool in there, but as you can see, it shows the percentage, the watts, and just about how long in hours you have left for this thing to power whatever you need. So I'm just showing you the lighting here. I hope no one got dizzy from all of that, but I do love that feature. It is always great to have extra lighting in the event of an emergency. But as you can see, it does have the USB-A and the USB-C on here, and it shows the wattage for that. And it has some key features. It has a G-Flow inverter overload, a G-Flow bidirectional inverter. It's a 100-watt PD fast charging. It's a green renewable energy, and it has multiple protections. So again, it is the 1200-watt AC output, and it's just great in a travel scenario. So again, that portable thing got me. I needed it to be portable. So this will be great in a bug out scenario. It could be great for camping. There are so many different things that you can use this unit for, and I'm super excited. I want to get everyone in my family one because I feel like this could be useful for just about anybody. But as you can see, I am just plugging it in here, and I was just waiting for the refrigerator to turn on. And then from here, all you need to do is hit the switch on the right hand side, and it will power whatever device you need it to. So this has an incredible shelf life, and I am just so impressed by this unit. Once again, it can do just about anything. If you look on the top there, I did not highlight a key feature yet. It does have wireless charging. So if you have a device that can be charged in that way, you can just set it on top of there and it will charge it, which is pretty cool. I'm just showing you the car charger here. If you choose to go that route, I have fond memories of my dad charging a lot of different things in his truck when we would go camping. So I know he will use this unit for that purpose. But here it is. It tells me it has 14 hours and then it will turn off. So that's pretty incredible. Again, check out the link in my description. And now let's get into my haul. So as promised, this one's a bit random, but I was thinking of my health here, and I have some products that I typically get. I've tried all of these, and I swear by a lot of them. So this season for cold and flu, I am trying some salves, and I need beeswax as my carrier wax and a little bit of coconut oil to put those two together, and you can infuse them and put those salves on your feet if you want. They are called drawing salves, and it just draws out toxins, and that is my main focus this season. Whenever I come into contact with anything like that, I just want to cover all my bases and try and take that toxin out naturally. And on the subject of that, you could also use these foot pads. I found mine at my local Esches, my favorite discount grocery store, and these are kind of gross but also kind of satisfying. You need to cleanse your foot, and you can do these, just by sitting down, or you could put them on before bed, which is what I do. I wouldn't put them on the bottom of your feet and walk around for the day, but you totally could. And then in the morning, you can see all of the toxins that were in your body. The foot pad turns black, and it's not going to take out everything, but it has made me feel exponentially better, especially when I'm sick. So I suggest perhaps picking some of these up if you are not into the salves I was referencing with the beeswax. Next up, this was a must-have for me, organic ashwagandha. If you don't know about adaptogens, I suggest you look into it. It is a natural stress relief, and ashwagandha is a powerful one. It can also give you energy and really help with anxiety, which is something that I'm struggling with currently, something that I might always struggle with, but ashwagandha always aids in that. I also like to drink adaptogens, and I drink Rowdy Mermaid's adaptogen line. I believe there's some reishi mushroom in there as well, but I know a lot of you use this, and I have seen a difference, and it will take your body probably 3 months to get used to a supplement. So if you've tried it and given up, which some of you have said that, just give it some time. Give it some time to figure out your body figure it out, and go from there. Next up, Indian healing clay. I'm also using this to draw out toxins, and I like to put this in my kids' baths with a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and I just feel like it does do that. It brings out those toxins, that sickness. It definitely doesn't cure anything, but it aids in the ailment, which is what I'm trying to do with a lot of these things that I'm picking up. I'm trying to aid in. I'm not trying to cure anything, but I want to make us a little bit more comfortable in this season of sickness. So I love this stuff. I found out about it when my mom used it back when I was a little girl. So I can find mine just about anywhere. Found mine at Esches. I've seen it at Target before if you'll want to go there. But Amazon also has it, and your local grocery stores or apothecaries, you should check into that as well. And then I did pick up some extra virgin coconut oil. I do that whenever I can, especially if it's cold pressed and unrefined. This guy right here was $2 from Esches, and it's expired, but it's coconut oil, so I'm not really worried about it. We all know, don't really care about expiration dates on my channel. You totally can if you want though. And again, I'm mixing that with the beeswax and making a drawing salve. You could also cook with coconut oil, but this one is used for botanicals specifically. I'm sure you could use it to cook with as well. And then last on the list, I went over to Natural Grocers. They were having some really great deals on their dried herbs and spices. So I just picked up a bag of organic lemongrass. I like to use that in curries, and it really helps with decongestion and things like that. Well, congestion, but I also use it in a tea. So I did want to say that I got some, talk in the last video about herbs, and you don't have to drink it in a tea. You could also cook with them. Medicinal herbs have so many benefits, and just because you cook with them doesn't mean it's going to cook down the medicinal benefit. So I did want to say that. Also, my favorite non-GMO organic seeds are on sale, and I did want to just put it at the end of this video because I don't know how long the sale is going to end. I'm going to drop the link in the description box, so make sure you go and check that out. I haven't seen a price this low. Again, you get, like over 3,000 seeds. It's a phenomenal value. It is an affiliate link, so I appreciate you supporting affiliate content and sponsored videos. So yes, just wanted to give you that little discount too. Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it. That is what I picked up on this week. I hope this is helpful. Of course, this is not a one size fits all. There are many things you can pick up at the store. So if you ever stumped on something, definitely drop it in the comments. And if I don't know the answer to it, I will research it. I will look into my medicinal books, which are always linked in the description box for you. And I will help you find an answer. Of course, I am not a doctor, but I am a woman who's on a journey to health. I am unlearning all of the things that I learned from traditional school, traditional medicine, and I'm just really getting back to the roots of myself and the roots of this earth. I know this may sound a little strange to you, but being in connection with the earth, what you grow, your family, all of that contributes to this mental and physical health that I think we could all appreciate and just get better at. So if you want to be on that journey with me, definitely hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you on the next one. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. Bye, y'all.